Hey, what's going on everybody? JP here from Wander to Get Lost, and in today's video I'm going to be repairing our NORCOLD refrigerator door hinge that broke. So stick around and let's tackle this project together.
It could be this simple forever.
Alright everybody, so our 2008 Winnebago decided to have another thing break, and that is our refrigerator door. So one day Jordana was just opening the fridge door and the bottom hinge snapped. If you have a NORCOLD, you will probably know that this hinge setup is all plastic. So you can see there, this snapped off right here. So we got to change this out, and to do that I ordered a new door panel right here. You can see this is the plastic hinges, so we'll be swapping that out. And the big thing that we have to do is take the aluminum front panel off of this, and then the other thing is, I guess NORCOLD eventually realized that these keep breaking. They sell a hinge upgrade kit, which are metal plates that we're going to be putting on the hinge areas to give it extra support, so this shouldn't happen again. So that's what we got going on. The first thing I have to do is empty out the fridge door, and then we're gonna tackle popping this panel off, which requires us removing the handle, which is up here. So there's two screws in there, we got to take that off. And then we got to take this side piece off, which pops right out like that, and then we'll slide this out. Alright, so let me empty the fridge door and we'll get back to this. Alright, so we're going to remove these two screws up here. 1, 2. Alright, so that takes that off here. Now we just got to pop this trim piece off, and I think it's as easy as doing that. Right there. And then we're going to slide. Here's our panel. Alright. Now you can see our door. That's what we're going to be replacing. This will just pop out now, and then what we're going to have to do is take this screw out of here, or actually right here is this screw that we're going to have to take out to remove that pin so we can slide it in. Alright, let's get our new door. Alright, so here is our new door. We're just going to do the same thing and pop this piece out. Hopefully I don't break it. There we go. Slide our aluminum panel in. And you just want to try and do it evenly so it slides in together. Something periodically. There we go. Alright, get this into there. Alright, so now we got that on there. Put this trim piece back on. Now we got our door good. Now before we put this back on, I'm going to put the hinge supports. So let's break that open. it comes with directions here, and it appears that these are just slide-on clips. So we're just gonna match these up. There's a top one, which is this one, a bottom one, and then it comes with washers to put on top of the metal before the pin. So let's see how easy this slides on. So there's a little lip and a gap, I guess, right here that it's going to slide into. We might need a flathead to kind of pry that a little bit. Let's see how easy it slides in. There we go. It slides right in there. Look at that. Alright. So that's there. That's the top. Now we're going to repeat that for the bottom. There we go. Hey, look at that. That wasn't too hard. That one went in a lot easier. Alright, so now we got to take the door off. I got to remove that screw at the top. And then we can get this new door on. Alright, so that's the pin from the top. Obviously our bottom one is broken, the hinge, so you don't have to worry about that, but it lifts right out. Look at that. Alright. So that's our old doors now completely off. Alright, so what I'm going to do is put the washer on the bottom like it says to do. Like so. And then the top one I will save once I get that other pin in place. So I'm just going to guide this onto the pin. Like so. I have this pin here, and now I have this washer that's going to go up here. Just go right in there. Like so, and now we're going to tighten it back down. So that's our fridge door. Now we just got to reinstall the locking mechanism on the top. I'll put that there. There we go. Closes a lot nicer. It's a little snugger fit, so that's good. That's it. Alright, so you can see here, there's the washer between the hinge reinforcement plate and the top metal hinge of the fridge on the refrigerator. And then you can see down here, there's that metal washer down there, and you can see the hinge plate is right here, and now there's this metal. So yeah, that should now prevent this from cracking ever again. Alright everybody, so that was a super easy fix. That was less than 10 minutes, including pulling the panel off, getting it emptied, taking the magnets off, all our stuff. So now I got to put all the food back, put the magnets back, and then we'll be done. Everything I bought was off of Amazon. I did find a website that deals in NORCOLD products, but it was way more expensive. I think on that website, the door was $160 to $170 on Amazon. The replacement door was $110. And on Amazon, the hinges, the support hinges, were 28 bucks, and I think on that website they were like 50. So I will link to our Amazon affiliate account that will have these two pieces in case you need them. And then yeah, so the one thing, we have a right hand swinging door, and if you open up your fridge right here, it gives you all the part numbers that you're gonna need. So obviously we were the N611 RT. That's the whole refrigerator. So the RT on that stands for right, which means that this is a right hand swinging door, and it's a right hand swinging fridge. So if you just double check depending on which model you have, then you'll just find the corresponding parts. But that was super easy, super happy, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and to subscribe to follow along on our fun family crazy adventure. Thanks again for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next video. Stay lost.